For the first time in more than 5 decades, Bangladesh has issued new banknotes that do not contain an image of its founder, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Mujib, whose daughter Sheikh Hasina was ousted from power last year, served as the first president of Bangladesh and later as a prime minister until his assassination on 15th August 1975. He is popularly known as Bangabandhu, which means friend of Bengal.
Sheikh Mujibur Rahman has appeared on the Bangladesh currency notes since he led his people to independence from Pakistan in 1971. But for the first time in more than half a century, his image has been scrubbed from the country's currency notes and replaced with motifs of landmarks and temples. Bangladesh Bank has released images of 6 newly designed banknotes that will soon be in circulation. Bangladesh Bank's Governor Dr. Ehsan H. Mansoor presented the new designs to Chief Advisor Mohammad Yunus on Tuesday. According to a bank spokesperson, the redesigned notes instead showcase images of significant national landmarks, including Hindu and Buddhist temples, rather than any human portraits. The new notes also include artwork of the late painter Zainul Abedin, depicting the Bengal famine during British colonial rule. Another will depict the National Martyrs Memorial for those who died in the independence war against Pakistan. The bank has clarified that all existing banknotes and coins featuring Mujibur Rahman will remain valid. It is the latest instance of Bangladesh turning its back on Mujibur Rahman's legacy. The museum and the former home of Mujibur Rahman was set on fire last year during the student-led agitation. Protesters also vandalized and torched other houses across the country linked to Sheikh Hasina. Until this year, textbooks made a special mention of Mujibur Rahman spearheading the liberation struggle. But the ousting of Mujib's daughter Sheikh Hasina after the 2024 protests has dented the late leader's stature. New history books have expunged dozens of poems, speeches, and articles penned by Mujibur Rahman alongside images of his daughter. Instead, they now valorize the hundreds of people killed in the protests that ultimately toppled Hasina in August last year, while bringing back from exile other previously erased heroes of Bangladesh's early history. The South Asian nation of 170 million people has been run by a caretaker government since Sheikh Hasina was ousted. Her trial opened Sunday on charges of trying to crush the uprising against her government in August 2024. Bureau Report, DD India.